Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1967 Plymouth GTX. This is a true RS VIN GTX. Great car, guys. I bought this car locally. Super nice couple. He is a car man. He is a 67 GTX man. Matter of fact, the only reason he sold this car is he bought a factory black on black Hemi car. Super nice car. He has owned this car for about 6 years, I believe he said. Bought it. A dealer in Florida is the one that actually restored this car. All the receipts go with it. Great car, man. Hits the road really good. It's got gorgeous PP1 is a code. It's factory red car, black vinyl top. It's got the factory black vinyl interior. It's got magnums on it with BF Goodrich Silvertown red lines, and just a great car, man. I got a real soft spot. I mean, I love these cars. It's my favorite car in the world, man. I love this body style. You just don't see them. It's probably the thing that I love about them, and they're just super cool. Factory fender mount turn signals, they work. Sorry, my guys missed some bugs there on the front. This trim is very nice. Definitely replace that front bumper. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on this car, guys. It is just slick. That iconic 67 hood. No stripes, striped elite. Factory dual chrome mirrors. Yeah, I love this car. Man, does it hit the road sweet. Vinyl top's in great shape. Nice car. Really slick paint. Matter of fact, he said his wife actually wet sands all their cars. I thought that was pretty cool. Little blemish here in your taillight bezel. That's just a water spot. Come on, guys. Tail panel looks good. Those bezels are really nice. Of course, it's got the fill cap here. Nice and straight down the sides. It's got the correct GTX tailpipes and chrome tips on it. They angle out in 67 like that. I love these. I love the taillights on them. They're just so unique. Good, solid, straight body. Again, these are BFG Silvertown radios. 14-inch magnums all the way around it. That car's just super slick. It's got the Era Correct. If you know anything about these, Chrysler didn't put VIN numbers on the blocks in this year, but it has a 623 of 66 block, which would be the end of production year actually in 66 going into 67, because they started production year in July of 66 for the 1967 cars. So it does have, I can't call them matching numbers, they don't have VINs on them. Holley 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. It's got the Chrysler radiator with the shroud, dual snorkel cleaner, chrome valve covers, detailed up real nice underneath the hood. He pulled the motor, freshened the engine, It's got a rebuilt 727 TorqueFlite automatic trans. He just said he did the, matter of fact, it's got a bigger 8 3/4 in it. I can't remember what he called that. It's not actually the factory rear end, it's a bigger 8 3/4 with a 373 sure grip in it. And he put a new drive shaft in it. There's your trim tag. Just a pretty car, man. Again, hits the road great. Slick paint. If you're gonna pick something, you know, like those are original. They're not reproduction. But if you just want a real nice, just turn the key, take it to the car show kind of car, I think you're gonna have a blast with this thing. A-pillar chrome's really nice. This is a remote mirror, it does work. You can see they replaced the window door fuzzies. New door handles, definitely new door rubbers. Door seams are nice and clean. Hate the floor mats. There's new ones on the way. They'll say GTX on them, black carpeted. Factory bucket seats with center console, stock steering wheel. It's got the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Steering wheel looks great. Showing 47,000. I'm sure that's 147. Gauges are nice and clean. Factory tack car. He said the tack doesn't work. He's never messed with it, he said. It's got the AM radio in the dash, but the aftermarket radio underneath, it's a Pioneer, it works. H-plate Flowmaster dual exhaust system on it. Again, 8 3/4, 373 sure grip rear end. Just as sweet as can be in here. Now, this car was actually restored, and all the receipts are in here, in 2010, I think. 2010, 2011 is actually completed. And then it's just been extremely well maintained. Looks like it's got all the original insulation on the quarters. Of course, it's got the jack and the spares in here. It's all body color in the trunk like it should be. Great car. Very nice underneath, guys. Matter of fact, the front is painted in the wheel wells body color. Floors are nice and clean. I mean, this is a nice car. That is a good looking car. Again, new mats are on the way. Ordered them this morning for it. Sorry guys, I bumped the little thing on it. Gets you over here. Sorry, man. I bumped a little. My little tab in here pops out. That runs out. Like I say, really hit the road good. Great looking cars. Fender mount turn signals work. See that flashing? I know, like I case you can't see it. All the gauges are functional. Sound. Blower motor works, radio works. I see the only thing in there is a tack's not working. Wipers are functional. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. You can now subscribe to our Southern Motors page. You scroll down on the home page, enter your email address. Every time I enter a new vehicle, you get a notification. Have a great day, guys.